The answer is option D. Those that chose A and C, let's find out what's wrong. But I'll show you why D is the answer first. Because those that chose D also don't know they come on or they know. Correct? MCQ, but nobody know. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I'm going to write in D as the correct answer onto the graph and you'll see what's happening. Now, the whole idea is they add solution X, which is here, right? Which is barium nitrate to Y that's inside. It's already there. There's two ions, sulfate and carbonate. And after that, they add acid. Okay, and then they ask you what happened to the mass. So let's take a look. Okay, based on option D answer, i.e. blue color, let's see what happened. Based on option D. Okay. Do I have the question paper? Give me a moment. But I don't have it moved up and down. I do. Okay, D. Barium nitrate. We all know nitrate has nothing to do with precipitation. It's barium, all right? So the barium 2 plus, all right, that you add from solution X is a Romeo. You'll find the Juliet. Who's the Juliet here? Sulfate. And they come together and get married. Solid state. Same thing, the barium we add, you always add more than enough. We'll also find the other Juliet, which is carbonate. BaCO3. They get married. Okay? So they are all solid, that's why they have a mass. Alright? They are precipitate, so it's a mass of precipitate. So you go up. Go how high, what's the value? I don't know, and I don't care. Let's see whether D is a good choice. Alright, so they go up. Then when I add acid, what happened? They didn't come all the way down. They only come halfway down or somewhere around here. Why? Take a look. You add nitric acid, then ask yourself, what happened when you add nitric acid? Is there a chemical reaction? So I list it down for you. The nitric acid with barium sulfate, any reaction? That's the question. If there's a reaction, you must give me a name. Every reaction has a name. What reaction is this? Barium sulfate is married already, as there's no known acid reaction for barium sulfate salt. So there's no reaction at all. However, nitric acid can react with the other one because we have learned from ABS, all acids react with all carbonates to form salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. May I know what is the name of the salt? What's the formula? Barium nitrate, which is all soluble in water. Without balancing the equation. Okay, so I want to prove to you what? I want to prove to you that there's a solid still. This one's still around, right? This one just now was around, go up, and now still have this one, right? That's why it's here. This was all due to barium sulfate. It didn't disappear, it's still there. Okay? We have a lot of takers for A, right? We got to prove the A wrong, right? If not, they say A also can be the answer. Let's take a look what happened to A if my answer is A. Come. What's A? So now I write A down. You don't have to superimpose that, right? So here we go. I'll just use whatever color I can do. I use okay, then my blue again. All right. Option A. If it's A, then I have silver nitrate. So I'm adding silver ions to sulfate ion. You realize the form of the salt is called silver sulfate, which is aqueous. So there's no precipitate, no mass. The silver can react with carbonate though. To form silver carbonate. So yes, there's a mass. One of them is a solid, right? So okay lah, it go up. I go how up, I don't know because I got no value. Cannot do more calculation. But it makes sense at the moment. Alright? It makes sense at the moment. is when add nitric acid, then it start to become wrong. All right. So you ask yourself, nitric acid, when I add, what did it do to the two salts? Is there a reaction? And second one, is there a reaction? Right. I'm just following the sequence. Right. First one, it's not a carbonate reaction, whatever. But first one potentially could be a reaction, right? What reaction is it? When you get acid and a salt solution put together, potentially you can think of what? Huh? An acid and a salt solution. What could we do? We can do ionic precipitation, right? Potentially you can think of it. Make sense? Again, it's all ABS. All right. So I ask myself, can or not? Let I check it out. We interchange the partner, right? So I become silver nitrate. And here I become sulfuric acid. Is this ionic precipitation reaction? No. Because ionic precipitation reaction, I need someone to get married. This salt didn't get married. Am I okay? So this reaction doesn't occur. There's no such reaction. Okay. Second one, this acid carbonate reaction, I'm going to get salt, water, and carbon dioxide. The salt is a soluble salt, and therefore you realize you got no more solid intact. So the part A, how would the graph look like? If option A, the graph will look like this, and it will go down all the way. Make sense? You can try option B and C on your own at home. I believe the graph looks similar, if not the same as this one. Inverted V shape. Okay, so in the exam, they might ask you to draw this graph. All right, they show you one and they ask you to draw the rest. Draw log. Okay, so you get one, you will get the rest. All right, it's all ABS reaction that we're playing. If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.